Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a get ready with me video, including washing my hair and getting dressed. I'm going to do all that in about an hour because I don't have a lot of time. And frankly, I don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair or getting dressed or any of that. I want everything at this stage in my life to be quick. It needs to be fast. Hurry up because I got things to do. I got places to be. I got people I want to see. I don't have time to be fooling with hair or clothes or none of that. At this age in life, that's where I'm at. So I'm going to do it quickly. I'm going to be out of the house in an hour. But first things first, for me to be able to work miracles, I need coffee. So I'm going downstairs, make myself some coffee, take y'all with me. Then we're going to the shower, wash my hair, get dressed, and head out. So let's go. Is made, so let's go. For this job is a towel, some shampoo, and a conditioner. These are the ones I use. These are the ones I have been using, and they work great for me, so I just stick with those. Okay, all things are done except for this hair. So I'm getting ready to put this hair in a ponytail today. It's gonna be a low ponytail. I'm gonna tie the front down. So let's do that. That's the last step for today. Oh, I'm sweating. Y'all, it's hot. Whew. All right, guys, I'm done. I made it. Outfit today is just a pair of pants. Don't regard the what. Oh, this is water. Mostly it's dried up. The shirt. Let me take this off because we're not going outside with this on our head. No. Oh, this gray at the top is so disrespectful, y'all. This gray is disrespectful. Let me just get my fan, y'all. It's fucking hot. One time for the fan. Listen, menopause ain't no joke. So y'all just, if you ain't there, it's coming. All done, start to finish, in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Period. My normal routine, I probably could get out of the house in about 20 minutes. Literally, without having to wash my hair. But I did have to add that little bit of time to wash my hair this morning. So here we are. We're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. In case you didn't know, I'm going to be doing a video every single day in August. Unless something happens crazy that I don't. And again, y'all don't hold me to it. I've only missed 2 days so far and I'm doing pretty good. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is probably going to be a cooking video and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.